Schimmel, and when I'm not announcing, I'm usually snacking or eating, sometimes even between batters. Well, I have the privilege today of tasting a lot of really good food and joining Chef Rob to show you around the ballpark.
Are they out there practicing?
Some of the most amazing food offerings we have here. Rob's going to show us this beautiful new offering here at the ballpark. What do we have?
Yeah, we call this dugout fries. So it's our crispy fries. We got American cheese, caramelized onions, our burger sauce, and some chili peas, caramelized onions, our burger sauce, and some chili peppers.
He's done it like 4 times, like other different baseball games.
Nah, I should be straight. I'm gonna just get it there. I
Are
don't
you
care.
gonna go up to the mound though?
I don't know.
Or are you
Do
gonna go
I?
up front?
Do I?
I go up.
All right.
Yeah, that's the because if you don't go up, everyone's gonna he didn't go up to the mound.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a big part.
I'm gonna go up. I ain't did no practice or nothing though.
Well, you should. Like you can throw it to somebody.
There's no one to throw to.
There's Emma with A's Social.
Hi. How you doing?
Are you cool to help video with you?
Yeah. I can't.
Double mic. There you go, yeah.